Hello guys! Hello, good evening! So, it's too early here in Florida, pero I choose to prepare my dinner for tonight para hindi ako masyado, ma-late matulog. So, nagluluto ako ng pasta ngayon. Nagluluto ako ng pasta Alfredo for Esther. Kasi gustong-gusto niya yan yung Alfredo, guys. Kaya pinagluto ko siya ng Alfredo pasta. Minsan-minsan lang naman. Sometimes spaghetti din yung request niya. Pero ngayon, Alfredo yung request niya. So, I've been waiting for this pasta to cook. At while waiting, so nag-prepare ko ng salad for us. For me, for my husband. So, I just, vegetable salad lang siya, guys. May tomatoes. Wala siyang cucumber. Hindi ko siya nilagyan kasi ayaw ng husband ko. And then, yeah, just simple as that. Like, may radish. And then, lettuce. And then, some greens. And I had my dressing. So, that's greens, guys. A baby leaves greens. So, and then, I cut my chicken. Kasi magluluto ako ng garlic chicken. Garlic honey chicken, I mean. So, pero ko lang siya, air fryer. I don't wanna deep fry my chicken. So, gagamit ako ng air fryer. Tsaka, air fryer ko lang siya. At tsaka, isasaute ng yung garlic at tsaka yung honey. Yan, simple as that, guys. Yan, luto na yung pasta ni Esther. Favorite niya yan. At nilagyan ko ng turkey. Yan, turkey yan instead of chicken. And then here's my salad. That's my simple salad for tonight. At lalagyan natin siya ng Olive Garden na dressing. Yan, masarap siya, guys, kasi parmesan siya na, parmesan siya na flavor. Kaya may mix lang natin, guys. I don't make a whole lot because ayoko rin mapanis. Ayoko mag-keep ng salad. Yan yung chicken natin, luto na. At yan yung side natin na baked sweet potato. Kasi nag-cut off na kami sa maraming rice, white rice. So, tara kain tayo. Bye-bye!